Welcome to Factful Finance, where we bring clarity to your financial journey and equip you with the knowledge to make smart money decisions. Now let me ask you, what if I told you that the way most people are investing in stocks right now could be setting them up for failure? You've probably heard all the hype about the stock market being a surefire way to build wealth. But before you go all in, let's pump the brakes and take a step back. Here's the truth. Not all stock investments are created equal. And just because everyone's telling you it doesn't mean it's the right move for your financial future. In fact, according to recent studies from the Federal Reserve, about 30% of Americans who invest in stocks don't have a clear strategy, and a significant portion of them end up losing money in the long run. So, if you don't have a plan, you might be leaving your financial success to chance. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Let's break down the real reason why you should stop investing in stocks until you watch this video. I'm about to show you how to make your stock investments smarter, safer, and more aligned with your long-term goals. First, let's talk about risk management. One of the most critical concepts in investing is understanding your risk tolerance. Are you in it for the long haul, or are you just looking to make a quick buck? The risk you take now could mean massive rewards or devastating losses later on. If you don't have a solid risk management strategy in place, your portfolio could take a hit during market downturns, just like it did in 2008, or more recently in 2020, when volatility surged. For example, let's say you're like Liam, who invested everything in high-risk tech stocks without a diversified plan. Sure, he saw huge gains when the market was up, but when things turned south, he lost a significant chunk of his savings. Had Liam diversified across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, and maybe even some real estate, he would have been better equipped to weather those storms. Next up, are you considering taxes? Too many investors ignore tax implications until it's too late. Do you know that long-term capital gains taxes can be significantly lower than short-term ones? Or that tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks can save you thousands in taxes over your lifetime. Understanding tax strategies and leveraging these accounts can supercharge your investment returns. Take Henry, for example. He invested $10,000 in a taxable brokerage account only to face steep taxes on his gains each year. Meanwhile, his friend Olivia was using a Roth IRA, enjoying tax-free growth. They both started with the same amount, but thanks to smart tax planning, Olivia saw greater returns over time. Now, let's talk about the most important question. Do you have a plan? Investing without a clear strategy is like going on a road trip without a map. You might get lucky and stumble into success, but it's far more likely you'll end up lost. Building a strategic portfolio that fits your goals, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or building wealth for future generations, will make all the difference. Take this example. Amelia wanted to retire at 50. She didn't just start buying stocks and hoping for the best. She crafted a clear plan with specific targets, a diversified portfolio, and a strategy for tax efficiency. Now at 45, she's already on track to retire early, all thanks to the plan she set 5 years ago. It's critical to have an investment strategy rooted in your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. A good strategy isn't just about picking stocks. It's about managing your investments intelligently, keeping emotions in check, and staying focused on your long-term vision. So before you jump back into the stock market, ask yourself, do I have a diversified portfolio? Am I prepared for the taxes on my investments? Do I have a clear strategy for my future? Because, trust me, without these pieces in place, you might be setting yourself up for failure. But the good news is that by taking the time to build a solid foundation now, you'll be in a much stronger position to see your investments grow safely and steadily over time. If this video helped you rethink your approach to investing, leave a comment and let me know. What's one thing you'll change in your investment strategy today? And if you want to level up your financial knowledge and take control of your future, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. If you're ready to dive deeper into building a smart investment plan, this next video will show you how to start. Click on it now. Your financial future awaits.